Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have seen what are the square numbers. Please remember, square numbers are also called as perfect square numbers. And this is the terminology which we are going to use in our upcoming topics. Today's our topic is properties of square number. Yesterday in the worksheet, I have given you question to prepare a chart of squares from 1 to 30 and observe the ones places of the number. Here I have made the same chart for you. Here numbers are there from 1, 2, 3 till 30 numbers I have taken and I have written the squares of the number. In yesterday's worksheet, I asked you the question to observe the ones place. Now let us observe it, and while doing this, please keep your homework paper, page or book, whatever you have made with you, so it will be easy and helpful for you to understand. Now, this is 1 and square of 1 is 1. Ones place of this, as it is a single digit number, ones place is 1 and ones place of the square number is also 1. Now, let us see this number 11. 11 square is 121. Ones place of 11 is again 1 and ones place of its square is also 1. 21. Square of 21 is 441. Ones place of 21 is 1 and again ones place of its square is also 1. Now, similar thing we can find for 9 also. This is 9 and ones place of its square is 1 again. This is 19. Square of 19 is 361 and ones place is again 1. 29. Square of 29 is 841 and ones place is again 1. Isn't it amazing? Now let us see for 2 also. 2, its square is 4. 12, its square is 144. 22, its square is 484. And similar thing you can find for 8 also. 8 square 64. 18 square 324. 28 square 784. We got two conclusions. If a number is having 1 or 9 at its ones place, its square will have 1 at its ones place. Can you see this? And if a number is having 2 or 8 at ones place, then its square will have 4 at its ones place. Here we can see this. Similar observation can be done for 3 and 7 also. You can see the ones place is 9 here. 13 square 169. 23 square 529. And similar for 7. 7 square 49. 17 square 289. 27 square 729. So again one conclusion we have, if a number ends with 3 or 7, its square will end with 9. Here we can see this. Now similar observation can be done for 4 also. If a number ends with 4, its square ends with 6. 4 square 16. 14 square 196. 24 square 576. And similar 6 square 36. 16 square 256. 26 square 676. Means again we have one conclusion. If a number ends with 4 or 6, its square will end with 6. Now here are some random calculations. 61 square, it means 61 into 61, that is 3721. Means it is not only true for 1, 9, 11, 19, 21, 29, but it is true for any random number which you will take which ends with 1 and its square is also ending with 1. Another number we are having 88 square, that is 88 into 88 and it is 7744. Just now we have concluded that if a number ends with 8, its square ends with 4 and it is true here. About zeros you can see that here is 1 0 but in its square there are 2 zeros. 20, 1 0 we have, 400 we have 2 zeros. 30, 1 0 we have, in its square we have 2 zeros over here. And if a number ends with 5, its square ends with the same digit 5. 15 square 225. 25 square 625. Understood, children? Okay, so here the same thing I have written in the tabular form. Here is ones place of a number and ones place of the squares. If a number is having 1 or 9 at ones place, its square is having 1 at its ones place. If a number is having 2 or 8 at its ones place, its square will have 4 at its ones place. If a number is having 3 or 7 at its ones place, its square will have 9 at its ones place. If a number is having 4 or 6 at its ones place, its square will end with 6. And if number is having 5 or 0, the ones place of its square will have 5 and zeros, but zeros will be in terms of pairs. Please remember, zeros will be in the pairs, in even numbers. Now, these properties I have written in terms of definition. If a number has 1 or 9 at its ones place, then its square will end with 1. If a number has 2 or 8 in ones place, then its square will end with 4. If a number has 3 or 7 in ones place, its square will end with 9. If a number has 4 or 6 in ones place, then its square will end with 6. If a number has 5 or 0 in ones place, then its square will end with same digits, that is 5 or 0. From this, we can conclude that perfect square numbers always ends with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Now there are some digits which we have not seen in the chart, and that are 2, 3, 7 and 8. Therefore, if a number has any digit out of 2, 3, 7 or 8 as ones place, then the number is definitely a non-perfect square. Remember children, if a number ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then the number is definitely a non-perfect square. The perfect squares will always end with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Children, today we have seen properties of square numbers, that is properties of perfect square numbers based on their ones places. Please follow the guidelines given in the worksheet and solve the worksheet in continuation of yesterday's work. Thank you and have a good day.